Howdy folks, this is an unboxing from JimmyTheFish. If you guys don't know him, check his channel out. Got a lot of good stuff on there. But he sent me something in the mail, and this is the first thing that I have received through the mail from one of my YouTube friends. So thanks again, Jimmy. Now I'm going to open it up and see what you sent me. And try not to cut myself. And folks, I just come back from an outing. I don't normally dress this way around the house. So. Even Bailey's excited about it. Ooh, boy. So there we have fire steel. You can use that. You'll realize that if you see my efforts that I filmed earlier today. An Altoids kit. Wow. I'm assuming that's a striker steel there. This is actually Newman's Own. Yeah, he was talking about these cans. Not Altoids, Newman's Own. Cinnamon mints. Jute twine, a striker, and a ferrocerium rod. And there's all kinds of goodies in there. A little fire starting tab or tender. So wow, and some char cloth, that's cool. And I'm guessing these are some rocks from Texas. I would be right. So my thanks to you, Jimmy, and let me see what's on this note here. Here's something I wanted to send you, and I know it will come in handy on your outings. Well, let me read this. Here's what it contained. Quartzite rock, striker, char cloth, lantern wicks, magnesium block, wet fire emergency tab, jute twine, light my fire ferro rod, high speed bit, which works great for striking ferro rods, and of course the mint tin for the kit. So thank you very much, Jimmy. I really appreciate it, and I'll stay tuned and see what you're up to. So thanks again, buddy. Catch you later.